Sir Jerry, nabalitaan ko na may AI assistant ka. Itanong mo naman sa kanya kung maganda ba ang Sante Barley para sa gout. Sige, itanong natin. Danica, maganda ba ang Sante Barley sa gout? At ipaliwanag mo ng maigi para malinawan kami ni Sir Jeff.
Sure, Sir Jerry. So to lay it out clearly, gout is basically a type of arthritis where you get these uric acid crystals hanging out in your joints, causing pain and inflammation. Now, how Sante Barley fits in is that it's packed with nutrients and it can help support overall balance in your body. In a more formal sense, it's not a direct treatment for gout, but it can be a gentle part of a healthy diet that supports your wellness overall. So when it comes to the essential nutrients in Sante Barley, you've got things like vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and chlorophyll. All of these can help your body stay balanced. In the context of gout, these nutrients support overall wellness and may help reduce inflammation or support your body's natural processes. So in short, that's how Sante Barley's nutrients tie in. They're like a gentle, supportive boost for your overall health, which can be helpful if you're dealing with gout.
Thank you, Danica, sa naging sagot mo sa amin ni Sir Jeff. Maaari ka pa bang mag-provide ng karagdagan pang detalye?
Absolutely, Sir Jerry. Let's put it all together and go into more detail for you. So in a more expanded way, gout is a form of arthritis caused by uric acid crystals building up in the joints, leading to pain and inflammation. Now, how does Sante Barley fit into that picture? Well, it's packed with a range of nutrients that can support your overall wellness. For vitamins, you've got vitamin C, which is great for immune health and can help with inflammation. There are also B vitamins that help with energy and metabolism. On the mineral side, you've got potassium and magnesium, which help keep muscles and nerves functioning well and can support overall balance. Sante Barley also contains amino acids and enzymes that are good for digestion and metabolic health. All these nutrients combined help our body stay in a more balanced state, which can be a supportive factor when managing gout. In other words, while it's not a direct treatment, it's like having a nutrient-rich buddy that helps keep your overall health in a good place. Hopefully that gives you and Sir Jeff the detailed, longer explanation you were looking for.
Ang galing naman ni Danica, sir. Gusto ko din ng ganyan. Mas madali sa akin gawin ng pag-promote pag may ganyan ako.
Yeah.
Paano ako magkakaroon yan?
Madali lang, tumawag ka lang sa CRM team ng Sante Tuguegarao branch. Makikita mo ang contact details nila sa description ng video na ito. Pero dapat tumawag ka kaagad sa CRM team ng Sante Tuguegarao branch. Priority kasi nila nagawan yung mga unang nag-register at nag-subscribe. Dati kasi exclusive lang ito sa team, pero ngayon inopen na ni Sir Jazz sa buong Sante community para mas madaming tao ang matulungan.
300 monthly subscription, tapos may AI assistant ka na nagagawa ng lahat ng kailangan mo patungkol sa product, sulit na sulit talaga.
Bukod sa FAQs at handling objections, madami pa siyang kayang galin, mag-compute, mag-forecast ng sales, gumawa ng anumang letter at madami pa.
Talaga, bali lumalabas na 10 pesos per day lang pala, tapos makakatulong ko siya 24/7. Sulit na sulit pala talaga to. Sulit talaga. Imagine, sa bawat sales mo, daily, alisin mo lang doon yung 10 pesos, next month, hindi mo naiisipin ang subscription mo. Auto-update na din yun. Halimbawa, may changes sa pricing, may bagong produkto, at training sa AI assistant mo, kasama na lahat yon sa 300 pesos. Diba? 10 pesos per day, kapalit ng, palagay natin, mababa na ang 400 pesos net profit mo a day mula sa retailing na lang. Hindi ko napapahirapan ng sarili ko. Sige, Sir Jerry, maraming salamat. Tatawag ka agad ako sa CRMs para magkaroon na din ako ng AI assistant ko.